What's up, my 11 YouTube friends? Pulling hooker in the shop. Trenton's going to do a little work to it here. Trenton, come on over here. What are you going to do to hooker?
Putting it back to a standard 121.
Why is that?
Because I cannot sell it. Nobody wants to buy it.
Yeah, that is weird. This sled has been for sale for 4 or 5 weeks now, and at a very reasonable price. And I don't know what everybody knows about these, but in '94, the standard sled for sale in '94 was an SKS electric start reverse. That was their standard sled for sale. The 121s with the Fox shocks, which that's what this sled is originally a 121 with the Fox shocks. They were a snow check only sled. So very kind of unique sleds in '94. I mean, and this is a beautiful, it's got great colors. The hood's in good shape. It's not perfect, but it's in good shape. The seat's in really good shape. But yeah, he's going to switch it out. He's going to put the black skis back on. He's going to put it to a 121. He saved the bumper and the tunnel block off. He saved all that stuff. And this was something they had an issue in '94 was the paint that just fell right off the tunnels. I'm sure it was a prep issue. They didn't do the proper prep. So yeah, the running boards looks like this sled should have 180,000 miles on it. But no, the paint fell off the tunnels. And that was one of the issues in '94 is the paint flaked off them like that. So yeah, he's going to do a bunch of work this weekend and try and get this sled back to an all original '94 121. So it is for sale, and it'll be for sale still even once he converts it back to a 121. So yeah, got a bunch of stuff going on. And I'm going to show you some other stuff that we just recently got in the mail and stuff, and I'll open that up and talk about that too. So stay tuned and we'll show you the progress. Got a bearing fighting you, Trenton? Yeah, Trenton had to go to extreme measures here to get a bearing off. That'll happen once in a while. Out comes the tool to get rid of the bearing. Once in a while, you gotta go to extreme measures, huh, Trenton?
Very extreme.
Yep. Did you win yet, Trenton?
I did, finally. Yeah. Had to get the little air grinder out.
So what'd you end up cutting? Did you cut the whole bearing off, or?
The outer side of the bearing.
Just the outer side of the bearing?
Then you can cut the other side off and you get it.
Oh, once you get it all, yeah, you get some of the bearing off. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. You just cut some of the bearing off so you can get it out, and then you can deal with this once you get it out of the sled. Yep, that is how you get them out when the bearing is stuck. Just cut part of the bearing off, and then deal with the rest of it once you get it out of the sled. Because you can't get it through the hole down there when the whole bearing is intact. So, good tip there, Trenton. Just cut part of it off and slide it out and then deal with the rest of it once it's out. Success?
Delete.
You doing wiggling the chain case in now, Trenton? Things are going back together. It's always somewhat of a struggle to get them chain case bolts back in and get the driver in, and there's no real super good way. Just kind of keep wiggling stuff, right? Just got to kind of keep wiggling it around. Busy day in the shop today. Gosh, look at this. We got vintage camper work going on. New roof just went on. Dom and Megan glued that all on, and I helped them with the drip rail. Megan's putting the lap sealing on right now.
Yep.
Getting exciting now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Very close to camping in this thing. Yeah, I've been putting tons and tons of hours in this thing. All the wiring's done in it now. Yeah, it's got a microwave, cooktop, countertops in. Lots and lots of going on. So, we weighed this sled in just a couple videos ago. Trenton, do you remember what it weighed?
Like 540, I want to say.
Is it 540? Okay. So what we're gonna do,
No, 560, I think.
560? Trenton thinks it weighed 560 with the reverse chain case in it and a long track. So now it's going back to what they were as a standard sled. 121, no reverse. So get your guesses in, because we're gonna weigh this thing when it's all done. So,
Can I have that hammer out front?
yep, go down in the comments and put your guess of what this thing's gonna weigh when it's all back together. Which hammer are you looking for, Trenton? There's multiple hammers on this bench. Orange?
Not the big one.
Okay, the small orange one. He wants the small orange one. Mandatory break time. What do we got on the plate here, Megan?
Summer sausage, smoked cod, cheese, and then crackers.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. And a little Bloody Mary. Yeah, we were all hitting it so hard we decided we gotta stop and take a break. Fill our bellies. Did you pull your sister into this project too, Trenton?
Uh-huh.
I'll see a hole.
Right there. Hold on.
Oh wait, I do see a hole.
Yep, that spot.
Nope, it won't go in.
Which way do you want me to go?
Megan, what are you doing? Putting the bolt in the suspension for him?
Possibly. Move it. Nope.
Yeah. See your problem. I'll try to start.
Okay, you need to come my way a little. Nope, you're too far. Go back a little. Okay.
Well, on a side note, I'm cooking dinner right now in the smoker. Some ribs. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah.
Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
All right, we'll just have to get it on the scale and get a weight, huh?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
And notice I never put my knee on that seat.
No, never knee the seats. No, not good. That is not good. All right, Trenton's eager to get this video closed out, so we're about to lift it to see what it weighs. It's on zeros. Everybody got their guess in because we're going to weigh it. You even got the bar pad sitting on top of the seat to get an accurate weight of everything. What are you thinking, Trenton?
525.
525? How much gas is in it?
I don't know.
It says E, so it's maybe got a couple gallons in. I don't know. I'm going to go 518. What the hell? Should be around that 520 range, I'm thinking, though, because we weighed a couple of these. So I'm going to go 518. Trenton says 525. What does it weigh? Yep. God, we were off a mile, both of us.
What?
557.
How did
How much stuff do you got in that damn bag?
It weighed 560 when it had the 136.
I don't get it. Yeah, it is off the floor.
Hold on. That's in pounds.
Yep.
How did we only lose 3 pounds?
Well, maybe the CNA skis were lighter.
No, those were heavier.
I
Those
don't
were heavier
know.
than a Polaris ski.
Scale don't lie. Doesn't
That
lie.
add up.
Trenton says it's wrong. Well, yeah, we're gonna put it back down on the floor and we'll close out this video in a little while.
Oh, we did take the trash can off though.
Oh, that's right. You're right. We took the trash can off and put a stock muffler back on. That's a few pounds right there, about 10. Yeah. About 10 pounds right there.
How's it weigh more than saving it though?
I don't know. Saving it was 520. I don't get it. Seat maybe? More dense foam in the seat and stuff?
Maybe.
Because it is a different style seat and tank in this thing, unless it's got more gas in it than we think, but it says E, so it doesn't have a lot of gas in it. I don't know. You guys comment down in the comment section why you think it's weighing more than some of the other ones that we've weighed already.
This is the first newer one we weighed too that's a 121 though.
Yep, exactly. So yeah, this is interesting. Very interesting that it's 557. Obviously I thought it'd be lighter. Well, good to know, and it doesn't even have reverse either because we took the reverse out of it too. So, all right, let's put her on the floor.
It's up for sale again though.
Yep, it's up for sale again.
$2 grand.
$2,000. 94 RXL, $2,000. Spring special. Jump on it while we still have it. It's going to be gone soon. All right. Got a little mail to open up here for you guys. Wes Frederick sent this in the mail to us. Yeah, I kind of have an idea what's in here, but I have not seen them yet. And he just started making these. And let's just get it open so we can talk about it. It's for Project Jason. Yeah, he made them up, mailed them to us, and he wanted us to check them out. Oh, he did say he sent a little letter in it too. I don't know if I have to proofread it here or what, but yeah. I'm just proofreading it real quick here. So what Wes writes here in his letter, Todd, so I am watching your most recent video of Trenton lining all of your collection up. I noticed that the beautiful pumpkin is rocking silver bumper badges. That just won't work, he says in the letter. So I'm donating a pair of my 3D printed badges, color matching, to tie it all together from one triple fanatic to another. Enjoy, Wes. Yes, Wes is a triple fanatic. He just got into the triple scene here just in the last couple of years, and he said it bit him hard. He loves them. He works on them all the time. He's doing some unbelievable, top-notch builds. So here's the badges he sent us. They look freaking sweet. Wes just started making these. God, I mean, they are spot on. Spot on. Yeah, I mean, so now we can put these on the front bumper caps. We'll take the silver ones off. He's even got the tape applied to the back of them. Top-notch work. So yeah, he's offering these up, and he's been doing some custom ones now, like Polaris Storm in them, XLT. I don't think he's doing any personalized ones, because I think the programming takes him so long to program it. But maybe he is. So I have some contact for Wes if you want to get a hold of me. You can find him in a lot of the Polaris groups on Facebook, like Wedge and Triple Sleds, Polaris Wedge and Triples, or Indy Garage. I know he's in those groups. I think he's even in the Indy 650 group. He's in the Storm group, I believe. So you'll be able to find him, or you can go in any of those groups and just say you're looking for him. Wes Frederick. And somebody will get you in contact. That's what the groups are great about. If you're looking for somebody will make the connection for you. Otherwise, he gave me an email here. It's Wes weshole1@gmail.com. It's WESHOLE1 @gmail.com. And I'll put his email in my description. So West, awesome. They are absolutely beautiful, and they are definitely going on Project Jason.